Welkom bij WBP Stars. Here in the Ciel Bleu kitchen, on a special table, the chef's table. And we have a new dish, this is our mandarin dessert. We make a virtual mandarin. It's made from sorbet ice cream. Inside is the matcha ice cream. So those both ingredients do very well. We see it a lot in Japan, in Tokyo. That's also the reason why we make this dessert for this season. Under the mandarin we have the almond cake. So we combine this with a compote of the mandarin. So fresh mandarin, a little bit infused with mandarine Napoleon. So small parts. So we have some zest of the mandarin. And of course we make the ice cream. We have a special silicone mold. Of course we first fill it with the sorbet. After we put the matcha ice cream inside and the green tea. Compote around we have some mandarin coulis. And a gel. The gel we put on the plate for the meringue of the green tea, the matcha. And what we have here is the leaves of the mandarin. So for this dessert, everything is detailed in combination with the mandarin. So small leaves with the flavor of the green tea. And as last we do the peel. Peel of the mandarin on top. It's made from chocolate with airbrush, white chocolate. And also the leaf is made with the green tea flavor and white chocolate. So this is our new dessert for this seasonal mandarin. Matcha, the green tea inside, compote of the mandarin, and the eatable peel of the mandarin. So voila, bon appetit!